But I know what you guys want to know. What has he been dishonest about? And is this a person who can be trusted with this much power? Unfinished business from childhood. Why is it coming through like that? Unfinished business from childhood. Unhealed wounds. So, what is it in his childhood? I'm seeing something in the second chakra, lots of spankings. So, it made him a well disciplined child. It made him someone who walked the straight and narrow. And there's just this feeling that he has carried with him since childhood that he has to do everything right in order to receive love and be worthy of love, specifically from his father. And when he gets the message that he's not doing something right, then it really pisses him off. So it's really, really something that is influencing what's going on now. Strong. It's just never really been questioned. Just an unhealed wound there. The issue left over from childhood wounding, his highest self is given a great big no. He can't be trusted with this kind of power because it's more about being right than it is about doing what's right for everyone. So the mission is about doing excellent work, doing things that haven't been done before, but the compassion for humanity is noticeably absent in his heart. We need someone with some Aquarius energy, someone who's more self-aware, more sensitive. It's so much Aries energy and so much Taurus energy and so much masculine energy. This is not someone who's wired to be really, really compassionate. He is wired to be excellent. He's wired to be a bull. He's wired to be a bonfire. He's wired to push. And I'm feeling like this trial that's going on right now, that it's not going to go well for Sam Altman. I feel like he's not going to be in OpenAI anymore. Is that going to stop him from starting another AI company? Definitely not. This rivalry between him and Elon Musk, like, going to be like great split. But mind all of the other AIs that are being invented all over the place. This isn't something that can be controlled. At this point, it's not something that can really be controlled. It just can't be. But it is true that because this is a situation that is being caught in the fairly early phases, that there are decisions that are being made right now that are going to have a huge effect on humanity. And there is divine intervention coming through right now that's going to just take the wind out of Sam Altman's sails. So I'm hearing he has to be stopped. What is it that he has to be stopped from doing? Proving that he's worthy of his father's love. That's what's at the root of it. Proving that he's not wrong, proving that he's worthy of his father's love. There's way too much ego in his decision making. Hearing that he's gotten too big for his britches. Gotten too big for his britches. So this is a personality thing that is so accepted in society when a man is this powerful. And so he's just gotten away with it until now.